I know you've got questions, and we can provide answers. That's why I am here in the class with you. I am available, and there's a ton of people who work for InterNACHI that essentially work for you. And if you have a question, we are obligated to help you get that answer. We have resources. We're all on the contact page. You can email everybody. You can, phone calls are really good. We even have a chat system. You go on an InterNACHI page, you can chat immediately with somebody. So go to nachi.org/contact to ask questions. We also have the following resources. I recommend posting a question on the message board and sharing it with other home inspectors, because InterNACHI staff is running InterNACHI. We're not all home inspectors. So especially if you have a home inspection technical question, it might be better to ask another home inspector. That's the great value of the message board, getting answers from a ton of other home inspectors. So visit nachi.org/forum and post that question. You could also post it on Facebook. Remember, previous section in this course, we talked about liking us on Facebook and joining this amazingly large inspection community, because you're not alone. You may also want to consider connecting with a mentor. InterNACHI has a program for colleagues for peer-to-peer interaction. We have experienced veteran certified inspectors who are willing to volunteer their time to help out other inspectors. You may even be considering becoming a mentor yourself. This is a free program, nachi.org/mentoring. You may want to refer to the international code books, and they're made online, public, by ICC, the International Code Council, a great corporation. For immediate assistance, let's say you're on a job site and you need help like right now. Houston, we have a problem. We have a button for on-site help from other inspectors. So InterNACHI staff is here to help you with your business, but we have other resources for particularly technical inspection questions. Next is your homework assignment for next week.